Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in wonderful Rodney, Ontario. We had a great client called us in to come take a look at this flat roof. It's been leaking for a long time. We investigated it. It needs to get redone. So it's an existing flat roof at the high portion over some slate. We have a detail where it flashes over the slate. We'll take you up top, see what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. We apologize for not getting partial videos. This was a quick job. It was a hot day. This was an existing EPDM roof. We turned it into a 2-ply roof. 16 feet long, 8 feet wide. We have a widow's walk in the middle of the roof. That's what the old timers used to call it. I'll let you decide why they called it that. But really the job turned out beautiful. We got a new 2-ply mod bit roof. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.